Good day and welcome to another MMA Bootcamp video. For today's video, we're going to tackle about headings. So headings is one of the most important things that we commonly use in our website. So what does this headings does? So headings helps in defining the hierarchy and the structure of a web page content. So HTML offers 6 levels of heading tags, which scales from 1 to 6. So the lower the heading level number, the greater its importance. So like what I mentioned earlier, there will be 6 levels of it. So therefore, having the first or the number one tag defines the most important headings, whereas the list will be the sixth tag defines the least important heading in the document. So how do we define such a heading? So let's go straight with this Visual Studio Code we have here. So for us to set up a heading tag, we use the term H that corresponds with heading and the level of its header. For this one, the highest or the most important one would be the H1, since like what I mentioned earlier, the lower the heading level number, the most important or the greater its importance. So H1, let's just say this is heading 1. So there will be 6 of it. So we in the interest of time, I'll just copy and paste everything. I'll make it H2 and later on we'll see the difference on H1 as we check the output of it. So 3, let me just make it H4, 5, and this will be 6th. Yep. Let me just save this one. So as you can see here at the right side on our browser, as you can see the difference in the font size of each heading. Since heading 1 is the most important heading on all 6 headers that we have for HTML have, au- automatically we will know that it's a heading 1 if this has big font size. But you always need to make sure that if you wanted to make things look big or bold, you should not use heading. Why? Because heading is used for highlighting the heading of the document or just to show the structure of your document structure. So this is not for you to use if you wanted to make it bold or something. We'll have those tags in our next videos, but for now, let's keep on mind that we don't use headings to make font or text bold or look big. Okay, so as you can see here, as we down to a level from first level up to 6, font size goes smaller as well. Okay, so this is how you define headings in an HTML. So what are the things or key important things that we need to know? First thing, HTML headings provide valuable information by highlighting important topics, by specifying a level of heading you wanted to use. So make sure that you optimize them carefully to improve user engagement. Another thing, since search engines such as Google, they use headings to index the structure or content of your web pages, we need to make sure that we're utilizing or using these headings wisely on our web pages. So the use of the H1, another thing is the use of the H1 is for you or to tell the browser that this is the main heading of your web page, followed by the H2 as a headings, and then going through with the other being the least important as you goes on with using the headings. So, uh, just a recap. In headings, we only have 6 levels that start from 1 to 6. The lower the number, the greater the importance is, and the higher the number, that's the least important on the heading. And always make sure if you wanted to make things bold, You don't need to use headings on it. Semantically, that's not very good for us. Even also with the use of the search engine optimization, it's not really good thing. So keep in mind of those things that I mentioned earlier as you use headings. For now, this will be the video for the headings, and next time we'll move on another topic of other tags that we can make use inside the body tag. Thank you and